Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. It's me again, Sanaya Elaf. I'm sorry because I haven't made videos in these 6 months because I was busy in my studies. So that's why today I have bought you a bookmark called the butterfly bookmark. It will look like this in the end. So let's start making this bookmark. Fold this paper into half like this. And for this bookmark, we'll need a square paper. You can pick square paper of any size and of any color. Fold it like this. And then like this. Make sure that you crease paper perfectly. Now fold this square and crease it. And you will get a mark over here. Fold this corner till this line. Do the same with the other one corner. Like this. And then fold it like this. Do the same with the other side. And you will get the shape. Then fold this corner till this corner. And make a mark over here. And do it like this. Crease it. Do the same with the other corner. And you got a butterfly bookmark. You could do coloring on this bookmark. You can also skip the coloring process if you want to. So here I have a one colored bookmark, and over here I have a second non-colored bookmark. You can put it on the book upside down. Here is the book corner. Like this. And I am doing coloring on this butterfly. You can also do coloring if you like to. You can do it in any type of color you want. This is my favorite part, coloring. So I'm done with coloring. Here's the result. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.